Welcome to Stock Symbol Selects, where we decode market moves, one symbol at a time. Today we're going to focus on Intel Corporation, symbol INTC. Intel Corp engages in the design, manufacture, and sale of computer products and technologies. It delivers computer, networking, data storage, and communication platforms. Let's have a look at Intel's weekly chart. Starting with the weekly chart, we get the best overview. The first thing I look for is the 30-day EMA and the RSI. They both need to be trending upwards. The EMA, the yellow line here, is trending upwards, so that's good. And the RSI is relatively flat and trending downwards this week. The next confirmation indicators I look at is the ADX and DI. The positive DI is the green line here, and it should be trending up, which it is, and it's trending not as aggressively. The volume seems to be tapering off as well. Looking at the MACD, we can see that it is now starting potentially to trend upwards, with the histogram being extended, so it could roll up. Now let's fine-tune this a little bit and move into the daily chart. Here's the daily chart. And once again, we look for the EMA. And as we look at the numbers, 43.99 and 44.04. So it's actually trending downwards slightly. Trending down slightly. And the RSI, we can see, is trending down for the past few days. So far, not great. The EMA is key, and it's in the middle, in a hot sector, by the way, and it's performing less than 50% in the hot sector, semiconductors, chips, and AI. So it's maybe not looking that great. When we look at the ADXDI, the green line here, it's crossed through, which is positive, but then it's starting to head back down again. So it's not that strong looking. The volume is fairly much level the whole way back. Nothing stands out here. We need big volume in order to see a potential big move. So nothing spectacular. We'll zoom in on the MACD, and you can see that it had a massive downturn here, and it's starting to trend upwards, but not with great strength. I've drawn some trend lines. Let's have a look at these trend lines here. They need to touch 3 points at least within a month. And here you can see it touches 1, 2, and 3. So this is a valid trend line. So this is the support line. And we look at the top now, top trend line that I've drawn, and it touches 1, 2, and 3. So that's forming a triangle and a downward sloping triangle in that. So that is not a good sign. A downward sloping triangle usually indicates that the stock price at some point will turn down. Using this triangle chart pattern, what tends to happen is that the price will bounce between the support and the resistance areas, getting tighter and tighter, until finally, because of the shape of this triangle, generally you're going to find that the price will go down. So it must break through this price line here. So we're looking at around $41.50. Could go down as low as $41.25, and at that point you should be out. So that's my outlook for Intel, focusing mostly on this triangle, which is shaped downward. So this will predict that the price will at some point break through the support line and continue downwards. I hope you enjoyed this take on Intel, and remember to do your own due diligence and your own research before you invest your hard-earned cash in these stocks. Remember to like, subscribe for more of this content, and share with your friends. It helps the channel. Take care and see you in the next one.